Right, YouTube, so for those of you who don't watch the channel that much, I decided a while ago to create a log of all the weights of everything sort of significant that I changed on the car. I thought it'd be quite useful for me, so I can see whether I've lost or gained weight in regard to the car. And then, yeah, it'd be helpful for other people as well. So, ever since I decided to do that, half the time I seem to forget to actually weigh them. So this is kind of like a retrospective episode where I'm going to compare the new alloys I've got against the old OEM ones. So luckily you can go on the Bola website and you can see how much the alloys weigh, so that saved me a bit. So yeah, I've just got to weigh the old ones, and then I shall chuck the log up on screen, probably up here somewhere, so you can see the comparison, and you can see some of the other stuff I've done as well. So yeah, let's crack on, let's weigh those alloys. Alright, let's see how much I weigh. That's more than I was expecting. 111.6. Alright, let's try again with the alloy. $121.8. Yeah, so they're definitely heavier. I can't quite remember what the new ones were, but obviously I'll put it up on the screen. But I think it's about 2 kilos heavier, which is cool, considering these are narrower, so the other ones are actually bigger. But yeah, they definitely feel heavier. So that's not a bad little weight reduction. Once you times it by 4, and because it's unsprung weight as well, I'm sure they say something like unsprung weight is worth double of sprung weight or something like that. Well, I could just be talking crap, but I'm sure I read it somewhere. So apologies for not putting that in the actual alloys episode, but I'm just useless at remembering things. So yeah, that's just a little quick one. Thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, hit the old notifications bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.